Right, you find me at Era Fisheries, new syndicate. I've been really lucky to join and privileged to join the Woodpecker Lakes up at Era near Huntington, Peterborough direction. Fabulous looking lake, some good fish in here. Rain on the horizon. First night here, I've spread myself out. I'm up in the boat swim. There's people scattered around all over, so I've spread myself out. Let's see what happens. It started raining after I'd set the bivvy up, and I'm glad I set the bivvy up first for once, because it didn't stop raining from about 12 o'clock lunchtime yesterday to about 7:30 this morning, and I'm nearly flooded out. So this is the swim and this is the water, and that's the tide line from yesterday. And now it's nearly into the bivvy. On my first session, mate. Yeah. So subsequently, just got you behind that one. Cool. Thank you for doing that.
Okay, get this down.
Right. First blood, first fish of the Woodpecker campaign. 27.5 pound common. Nothing like a first fish from a new lake. Well happy. Right, another common. God, nailed. Absolutely nailed. Another original common. Fins back, fins back. 33 exactly. If it's anything, it's 33 1 ounce. Right. Few leeches on this one. Another bar of gold. Oh. Calm, I can feel it tensing up. Relax a bit. Relax a bit. £33. 1 ounce of the new syndicate's finest. Well happy with that. Let's quickly turn it around, get the other side, then get it back. Look at the barbels on that, stunning. Yeah, you're not hanging around. Well, that brings me to the end of this week's session. 2 fish, a 27.5 and a £33 1 ounce, both commons. New syndicate water over here at Woodpecker. Until next time, good luck out there, and I'll see you all soon.